The next sound of group 5 is that of letter V. Letter V. Letter V makes the sound V. 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 We bite the lower lip with our teeth and then we push the air out of our mouth like this. V. V. And that is the difference between the sound of letter W and letter V. When you say W, which is the sound of letter W, our lips go round. W. And the sound of letter V is W. It's biting lip sound. W. So generally that's how I help the children to differentiate between both the sounds. So let's do some words that have the sound W. Like van, like a school van. Van, van. The next word could be veterinarian, and the short form of veterinarian is vet. Who is a vet? Vet is a doctor that treats animals. Yes, a doctor for animals is called a vet, a veterinarian. The next word is vest. Vest, what we wear underneath our clothes. So boys wear a vest underneath the clothes. It's an undergarment. Vest. Vest. So this vest has the sound V, and the word west, which is a direction, has the sound W. I hope there is no confusion in this. Next word, devil. Devil. So we never say devil. It's devil. Devil. Devil, which is usually in stories and not in real. The next word is travel. Travel. We all travel. We all go from one place to the other, and that is called traveling or travel. So let's do one more time. The sound of letter V is V. Oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot to tell you the action of the sound. So it's like we are driving a van and we say V, 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 V. This is the action and the sound of letter V. Bye for now.